Where does big creators get views from? What is the difference between us and the big creators? Because we both upload, but they get more views than us, they get more subscribers than us, they get more watch time hours than us. Why? Hello everyone, my name is Mosh, and on this channel, I make videos about tools, tricks, and strategies used to monetize on YouTube. Today, I want to show you one thing. You know, us and big creators upload daily, or weekly, or monthly. But big creators get more views. For us small creators, don't get views. We get little views. Why? What's the difference between big creators and small creators? Big creators has 10 strategies that they use to get more views than us. First of all, the way they upload their videos, the thumbnails, the titles, and other crucial things. In this video, I want to break them out. The 10 tricks that big creators use to get more views than us. First of all, big creators get good titles on their videos. They use good titles. They go to other creators' channels and they get the trending titles from those channels. Go and search for that particular thing in your niche that's trending that month or that week. Upload the video which talks about that particular thing. We're going to get the views. The views are there, but for you don't have the trick that helps you to get views. So go and search for trending things every month. Go and search for trending things every month and upload videos on those things or on those topics. If you find Lionel Messi, for example, in football, Cristiano Ronaldo, Erling Haaland, those things, upload videos talking about those people or those personalities. For example, for us, we talk about YouTube growth. The most searched thing in our niche is how to get more views. How to get more views and subscribers. So, you are recommended to make a video about how to get more views. Secondly, stop targeting subscribers. Stop targeting new audience. No, start targeting the audience. Talk to your audience. Stop targeting new viewers. Just target your audience. When your audience engages to your videos, it's going to send a good message to YouTube algorithm. So the algorithm is going to recommend your videos to new viewers. For example, I upload this video. When you come here and you like and you comment, the YouTube algorithm is going to know that Mosh is uploading good videos. So the algorithm is going to send my videos to other creators, to other YouTube fans, to other people who watch videos in the same niche as I do. This means stop targeting new viewers. Just target the old audience, even though you have 10 subscribers. For example, for me, I have 23 subscribers, but I'm targeting those 23 subscribers to teach them how are they going to grow on YouTube. How best can they get more views? You see, target your audience. If your audience become engaged with your videos, it's going to send YouTube algorithm a greater picture, a greater information. YouTube algorithm is going to recommend your videos to other people watching videos in the same niche. So just target your audience. If they comment when they want to talk about something, talk about it. Don't target new creators, new subscribers. No, your audience is enough for you. Even if you have 10 subscribers, try to find out what they want best. Then upload videos on that particular thing. You're going to get your subscribers engaged into your channels so that you get more views after they engage, because YouTube algorithm is going to recommend your videos. Thirdly, get catching thumbnails on your videos. You know, YouTube is going to send your videos to other viewers after your audience becoming appreciative to your videos. But the problem is that even if YouTube sends your videos to other people, you don't have that thing that can make those people attracted into your videos so that they click your videos from other videos. You must have a different thumbnail, a thing that can catch someone's face and someone's attention so that he clicks into your video, so that he watches your video. Stop just putting videos without thumbnails. Thumbnails are a crucial thing. You can't get views without packaging your videos. What's your video all about? Put a thumbnail onto your video. This thumbnail represents what's in your video. What do you want your audience to know? What do you want your people to know? What's in your video? But if you don't have a good thumbnail, you're going to fail. You will not get more views. Fourthly, stop asking people to subscribe into your channel. Stop asking people to subscribe to your channel. Stop asking people to subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Why do you ask people? Stop sharing link to WhatsApp groups. Stop sharing link to Telegram channels. Stop asking people in the comment section that subscribe to my channel. This is because you will get those subscribers, but you will not monetize on YouTube because you will fail to get views. People have different tastes on YouTube. They want to watch different categories of videos, but to ask us to subscribe to your channel. After subscription, we will not watch your videos. For example, if you share to me your link onto my WhatsApp, if I come to subscribe to your channel, I will subscribe. But other videos that you upload, I will not watch them. They will not get views. You will not benefit from my subscription. Just create your own audience. Stop sharing your links. Stop calling people to subscribe to your channel without watching your videos. Let people become your subscribers, become your audience after they like what you create. Them like what you create. Then they are attracted to subscribe to your channel by their choice, not by your request. No. Let people subscribe after loving what you want. Stop sharing links. Stop telling people to come onto your channel. Then number 5, make a short clip that talks about everything in your video that can make your viewers be attracted to watch the full video. Be conscious about the first 10 seconds of your channel. Stop starting like, hello everyone, my name is Mosh. And on this channel, I make videos about tools, tricks, and strategies used to monetize on YouTube. No, don't start like that. Start with something that make people view your video. For example, this is the difference between big creators and small creators. Some creators make a lot of video, but they don't get views. How can we outcome that challenge? You know, the person who has the same challenge, who want to solve that problem, will watch the video because he wants to get a solution for that particular thing. He's not getting views. He's attracted. But if you start like, hey everyone, my name is Kafitimosh, he starts with a boring statement. He does not know what your video is all about. First, introduce your video before introducing yourself. Introduce the video. You want to get 1,000 subscribers? Watch this video till the end. You are going to get those subscribers in just 1 week. You know, you introduce your video in a way that attracts viewer to watch it till the end. And he's searching for that particular thing. He will watch the video waiting for that special thing that can help him to get 1,000 subscribers. This is why you are watching this full video, because I started with an interesting introduction which caught your head, which caught you to watch it till the end because you want to get views, subscribers, and you become monetized. Simple. Just introduce your channel in the way that can attract your viewers. I will bring you the last 5 things, but don't forget to subscribe so that you watch all the videos I upload. We upload twice a week, long form videos, twice. Tuesday and on Saturday. We upload twice a week. Be with us. We are on the growing process. We must grow together. In God's name. Thank you for watching.